Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured breakdown of the challenges in maintaining an optimal abandon percentage in contact centers, organized into clear categories. Let's begin with the workforce and scheduling challenges that drive abandonment rates in a contact center. The first challenge is unpredictable call volume spikes. Sudden increases in demand, triggered by product launches, outages, or aggressive marketing campaigns, can overwhelm available agents. When customers face long waits during these spikes, many abandon their calls before reaching support. The second challenge is staffing gaps and attrition. High agent turnover, absenteeism, or late logins disrupt carefully planned schedules. These gaps reduce real-time coverage, extending queue times and making it difficult to maintain low abandonment percentages consistently. And finally, there are seasonal peaks. Events like holidays, tax season, or billing cycles generate uneven demand patterns. Forecasting these peaks accurately is difficult, and if staffing isn't aligned, customers end up waiting longer than expected, leading to higher abandon rates. In short, workforce and scheduling challenges remind us that abandonment is not only about customer patience, it is also about how well the workforce is forecasted, staffed, and scheduled to match demand. Without alignment, abandonment rates rise quickly. Now let's turn to the customer behavior challenges that influence call abandonment rates. The first challenge is low patience threshold. Some customers abandon calls within just a few seconds, even when wait times are relatively short. For these customers, any delay feels unacceptable, and they quickly disconnect, driving up abandon percentages. The second challenge is channel switching. When customers try to use multiple support options, such as chat, email, or WhatsApp, but find them slow or disconnected from the voice channel, they often abandon their call attempts in frustration. The result is not only a higher abandon rate, but also a negative perception of service consistency. And finally, there are time-sensitive issues. In industries like banking, healthcare, or travel, customers see delays as costly or even risky. If they cannot reach an agent quickly, they abandon the call, not because they don't need help, but because the perceived risk of waiting is too high. In short, customer behavior challenges remind us that abandonment is not only about queue times, it's also about customer psychology, urgency, and their perception of risk versus patience. Understanding these behaviors is key to reducing abandons. Next, let's look at the technology and infrastructure challenges that impact abandonment rates in a contact center. The first challenge is system downtime or latency. Telephony outages, lagging CRMS, or slow routing systems directly increase queue times. When customers sense the system isn't responsive, they quickly lose patience and abandon their calls. The second challenge is complex IVR systems. Poorly designed IVR menus that are too long, confusing, or repetitive frustrate customers before they even reach an agent. Many abandon early in the call simply because the navigation feels like unnecessary effort. And finally, limited callback features contribute to higher abandonment. When customers are forced to wait on hold with no alternative, like virtual hold, estimated wait time announcements, or scheduled callbacks, many prefer to hang up rather than wait indefinitely. In short, technology and infrastructure challenges highlight that abandonment is not only about people and processes, but also about the systems customers interact with first. A smooth, reliable, and customer-friendly infrastructure is critical to keeping abandon rates low. Now let's examine the operational and process challenges that influence call abandonment rates. The first challenge is balancing service levels and costs. Keeping abandonment low often requires additional staffing, but more agents mean higher labor costs. Leaders face a constant trade-off between protecting the customer experience and managing operational budgets. The second challenge is skill-based routing bottlenecks. Even when total staffing levels are sufficient, specific calls may pile up in certain queues if specialized agents are unavailable. For the customer, it doesn't matter that other agents are free, their queue feels endless, leading to abandonment. And finally, policy restrictions can create unnecessary friction. Strict escalation rules or limited overflow routing options delay response times. These rigid policies mean customers wait longer than necessary, and many decide to hang up rather than continue holding. In short, operational and process challenges show that abandonment is not just a staffing problem, it's also a design problem. Without flexible policies, smart routing, and cost-service balance, customers will continue to abandon even when resources exist. Next, let's explore the analytics and forecasting limitations that affect abandonment rates in contact centers. The first challenge is inaccurate forecasting models. Outdated or overly simplistic methods often fail to capture real-world demand patterns such as sudden spikes, seasonal shifts, or campaign-driven surges. When forecasts are off, staffing is misaligned, and abandon percentages quickly rise. The second challenge is lagging metrics. Many organizations still rely on post-shift or end-of-day reports rather than real-time dashboards. By the time leaders see the data, SLA breaches and abandon spikes have already occurred, and opportunities for live intervention are lost. And finally, there is the lack of root cause analysis. Without analyzing why calls were abandoned, for example, whether customers exited during IVR menus, faced excessive queue times, or experienced system failures, improvements remain superficial. The result is repeated abandonments with no lasting solution. In short, analytics and forecasting challenges highlight that reducing abandonment requires not only people and technology, but also smarter data. Accurate forecasting, real-time insights, and detailed root cause analysis are essential to keeping abandonment under control. Now let's discuss the AI and automation adoption barriers that affect abandonment rates in contact centers. The first challenge is integration complexity. Deploying AI tools such as chatbots, predictive routing engines, or real-time analytics dashboards often requires significant IT investment and major process redesigns. Without proper integration, these solutions fail to deliver the expected impact on abandonment. The second challenge is change management resistance. Agents and managers may push back against new automation tools due to steep learning curves or fears of job displacement. If adoption is slow or half-hearted, the benefits of automation never fully materialize. And finally, data quality issues present a hidden obstacle. AI models rely on accurate, complete, and real-time data to function effectively. Incomplete, inconsistent, or fragmented data leads to poor recommendations, misrouted calls, and ultimately longer wait times, driving abandonment higher. In short, AI and automation barriers remind us that technology alone doesn't reduce abandonment. Successful implementation requires clean data, seamless integration, and cultural buy-in across the organization. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.